Today is January 1st, and if you're anything like me, this day comes with a lot of pressure. Pressure to reset your entire life, pressure to suddenly become disciplined, motivated, consistent, all overnight. But I don't think that's how real change actually happens. Hi, I'm Jasmine, and instead of starting this year with a massive overhaul, I'm keeping it to something much smaller. This is the beginning of a series called Walk Before You Run, where we focus on starting before we feel ready and actually building habits we can keep. No dramatic reinvention, just realistic progress. Every January, I tell myself that this is going to be my year. And every year, I start strong until life gets busy. Work picks up, studying for the CPA takes time, and I'm already burnt out by the end of the day. I try to work out and eat better and keep my life together while having a social life on the side, and eventually, something drops. So this year, I'm not chasing the perfect routine. I'm focusing on building from the bare minimum, a version of consistency, the version I can show up for even on my worst days. Everything on this channel is built around one idea. We build from the bare minimum. That means small habits, low pressure, realistic expectations. Because if you can do something 10% consistently, that 10% becomes the foundation for everything else in your life. In this series, you're not going to see the perfect morning routine or 5 a.m. soul cycle classes, because I'm just not that girl. You're going to see real life. Days where I barely get anything done, days where the routines just don't work, and days where one small habit can actually make things much better. We'll be testing routines, systems, and simple changes, slowly, not all at once, to see what actually helps. If January 1st feels overwhelming for you, like it does me, if you've ever felt behind before the year even started, if you're tired of setting goals that you can't sustain and those New Year resolutions go out the door before you get to February, you're not doing it wrong. You just need a different approach. In the next video, I'm sharing the bare minimum routine that I'm starting with. Nothing fancy, nothing extreme, just something realistic enough to build on. If you want to build habits without burning out, I'd love for you to subscribe and build this year with me. We'll be taking it one step at a time because we build from the bare minimum.